So I was being really stupid. Really. What I called the diffuser in the previous video. That's the LED itself. It's mounted on a thin circuit board, and this is the LED. It looks like a piece of plastic. And I called it a diffuser. I thought it was optional. Yeah. So what I did, in the end I replaced the LEDs, no problem. But what I had to do is push the LED from this side, I mean up, as it stands on the circuit board. I had to push it slightly up and then desolder it, and it came off easy. Then solder it back on the other keyboard, I mean on this one, and yeah, it worked. So now let me show you, zoom out. Where's the problematic? The other side. Oh, let me just get rid of that defective LED. I ruined this one also, I don't know how. So here's the keyboard, and I had problem with the E letter, and I also took two and ruined two LEDs from the control and the menu button. So now let me power it on. Yeah, now it's mostly fixed, but yeah, you can't pick it up on camera, but the LEDs that I replaced are blue or purple. Maybe purple. Blue, I think. But they light up now. Look. Slightly less brightness because it's a different color and it kind of messes with your eyes. But I'm not complaining. I was successful, and maybe I will switch out all of them with another color when I get bored with this blue or green or whatever. So yeah, don't forget that LEDs look like little plastic. Yeah, and they are usually mounted on a circuit board. Oh boy, I ruined like 5 of them. So here we are with a mechanical keyboard that I've been using for more than a year. It wasn't really cheap, like 30 bucks. My other one was just 20, which still works. But if you notice, the letter E is not backlit. It seems that the LED went out for that one key. I just noticed it today. It really sucks. And without measuring any voltages, I'm just gonna replace it with one of these. This is from a keyboard. This is a keyboard controller, and these are green, I think, or blue, probably green, and should be the same voltage. I don't even care. I will just solder them in. I mean, solder one in place of this, and let's see how it works. So I kind of cheated. I already undid the keyboard. I took off the back. This one. And let's see. So, let me just plug it back in to see which one is the E. Yeah. So this one here, wait, you can see it. This one has, it's lit up slightly, but it has nowhere near the brightness of the others. So this one is the problem. And Most of the others seem fine. Yeah. They are mostly okay. And they are green, just like the one that I will be replacing with. So, yeah. Kind of sad that this is the way it goes. But yeah. That is a 1% failure rate. I didn't have problems with any switches, but 1 out of 108 LEDs just went out. So yeah, let's see what we can do about it. Do some soldering and stuff. Wait, I didn't mark it. Am I stupid? So yeah, not mark it, just tear it off. Where's a needle maybe? And tear the LED off. Can I? Just give it a good... No? Man, it's in there. Wait, if I press it, it lights up. What? I don't understand. The connection is bad. See? If I press it hard... Yeah, I don't understand, but it's defective. It has probably... Yeah, now it burned out. And now it's on again. What? What kind of cheap shit is this? Look. It lit up. Yeah. It went away again. I'm picking at it with my nails. It's not coming back. But that's weird. Why would it come back suddenly? That's not normal. And if I pick at it some more... Yeah, it's gone. Okay. So let me desolder it. So this is the one. Let me mark it. Or hold my hand there. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, and let's get the soldering iron. I don't know why it doesn't want to come off that easy. Let me adjust the width. Yeah, this is my special tip that can desolder SMDs. It's good for these surface mount LEDs too. So let's just take it off. Yep, it's gone. But what the hell? It lights through the PCB. There's some sort of plastic under it. I don't know if you can see it. Is that the PCB? Or no, it's just some plastic diffuser. Okay. That's part of the key mechanism. Okay. False alarm. So let's take it off the tip, break it off. Yeah, it's coming to pieces. Finally. This really sucked. Just rip it. And clean the tip. with some paper which is not flammable at all. Okay, it's clean. And let's get yeah, this is slightly different. The positive has to be, and which way is it shining? I guess we'll see. I'll try to follow the same logic as the keyboard. So let's just take it off. Come on. Man, it's on there hard. It's moving, but okay, it's off. Did I break it? Nope, it's still good, I think. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus on this. Yeah, whatever. So let's see. The positive is on the wider part of the triangle, like this. Yeah, I just dropped it there like a stupid. The positive is like I said, the positive is the thicker part. Let's change the tip of the soldering iron because this requires a simple tip. Man, it's still hot. Let's just turn off this annoying light, maybe. Yeah. Okay, here's the new tip. Simple U-shape. So let's see how we can solder that. But I need some light. Yeah, it's too late to turn on the phone's light. Yeah. Maybe if I move stuff around a bit, like that. It's not ideal, but yeah, I can move it. Like that. And here is the LED that I have to solder. So it's in the right position. Press it down gently. I don't want to break it. Oh, let's put some solder on the tip. And press it down gently. That's one side. And left-handed, I will do the other side. Let's see. Can I do it left-handed? I can use my left hand usually when I'm really lazy. Okay, that did it. So let's see. Did I blow something up? Did I ruin something? Yep, it's on. And it's a weird color. And not bright enough. That's too bad. Nah. Look, it's green and not bright enough. Yeah, it really sucks. So this is not good. Okay, so I will just transplant one of these bright ones. It's not a problem. From a button I don't really need, like scroll lock or something, and I put it there. I also have another keyboard for spare parts, if anything breaks, but yeah, and this is heating up. No, this is not appropriate here. Okay, back to the drawing board. Let's take it off. It's off. And let's take one from yeah, the control. That's fine. Let's take that off. Nobody mistakes that button for anything else, I think. Okay, it's off. Oh! The diffuser comes off. It's a tiny little plastic. That's funny. Maybe without the diffuser it would have been enough. Yeah. Let me put it in the right position. Try not to screw it up too much. Oh, this is really thin. I have to be careful. I just realized. Really, really thin. Yeah. Oh boy. I have to heat it up. Oh boy. I'm making a mess of things here. Ah, it's in, but I may have ruined it. So let's see. Yeah, I murdered it. So, what can I do? This is not so easy after all. Let me just measure the voltage first. Multimeter, 20 volts max. Let's see how much voltage it gets. .7. Yeah, okay. What can I do? Should I ruin another LED? Maybe scrape the board a little more so I can put it in place properly. Let's get some of that solder off. Okay. Yeah, attempt number 2. I'll be taking off these LEDs one by one. Now it's this one's turn. It's off. And let's see if I ruin this one too. I won't heat it up too much. Like that. And like that. Okay. So let's see. And it doesn't light up. Perfect. So I don't know what's wrong with this one. Maybe the electronics gave up and doesn't want to light that one up. That's unfortunate. That's bad. Let me just solder it some more. Will that help? It probably won't. Yep, it's dead. So, yeah, that's a fail.